Be ready to jump up. Put your hand on the front brake. Let's see if it's first kick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He's grown.
Damn. Oh, yeah. He almost lost it. Alright, y'all. So as many as y'all do or don't know, you know what I'm saying? I got a KX100 also, and it's for sale. I've been selling it for the last few weeks, month maybe. But I don't ride it. I ride Banshees, you know what I'm saying? So I'm selling it. Just want to give y'all a little look over it before I actually sold it. Just a little video, you know what I'm saying? But it's for sale. I got a bunch of goodies for my boy coming to buy it. I got tire, brand new OEM tire, kick cover, tire stand, or bike stand. I got a bunch of stuff, seat cover, spark plugs, all that. So once he gets here, this thing is fresh. It just needs wiped off a little bit, but you know, thing is fresh. Once he gets here, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. One down, I think it's 4 up, 5 up. I don't know. I don't ever go that fast.
And neutral fun, easy to find.
Super easy. Try it. You're in neutral. He said, oh yeah. It's loud as shit.
I ain't never been on a 2-stroke dirt bike yet.
For real?
This is crazy.
Damn. Try to find neutral. There it is.
The idle's good by itself. It feels like
It's gotta warm up still.
Right.
But the idle's right here. All you do is twist this thing.
Right. Yeah, I can fuck with that. But
I don't like to twist them because when they get hot, wait till, so when you adjust it, get it hot like a like ride it for like 30 minutes and then see where it idles at.
Alright.
Then adjust it. You don't want to idle it when, or you don't want to turn the idle when it's cold.
Alright.
But it's got the FMF pipe on it. It's just loud as shit.
I love this thing, dude. That's fucking sold.
Yeah. Just get a good run. I hate doing it in trucks. You can always start it too and just clutch work it.
Yeah.
Just run with it. I'm telling you, don't be afraid to drop the bike. It's not gonna hurt it. You can walk it up like that if you want. I run with it and just be ready to jump up. Put your hand on the front brake. So now step up. I got you.
I get all on.
Oh, wait.
Hold that front brake.
Got it? Yes, sir. If I was you, I'd run like caster is good. It just also depends on how much money you're willing to spend on oil every single time. You can get one of these also.
I got a big old can, but I mean, I use that for the clocks.
Oh, nah, I mean, I would run one oil.
Just all one.
Yeah, I've used to run.
I mean, you think if I stop using clots in the Banshee, it'd be
Clots isn't wrong. There's nothing wrong with clots, it's just stick. I let my bike idle from time to time, like I go to stoplights, shit like that. So that shit'll get gunked up in my car. I don't run clots. I've ran this before. This is good.
Is this like this is like what you put in the actual tank?
No, that's 2-stroke oil.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like
Yeah, like that's
a big old thing. Like,
yeah. I always buy the biggest you can get because look at the prices on these shits. They're
right.
$17. You know, it's just not really that's expensive. That's like $70.
Damn. That's my thing, alright?
Yes, sir.
All
So
right.
at my bench, I run what he got, what he just grabbed. I used to run that. Now in my bench, I run full synthetic.
What's the difference?
Synthetic just lasts way longer.
So this is transmission.
Yeah, that's what you put in the bottom end. This is standard. This is what's in the KX100 right now.
So I'll grab these two.
Yeah.
Like specific antifreeze matter too, or no?
I use this. That's the only thing I use.
How much is that shit?
You're good with Yama lube also. Yeah. You're good with Yama lube also. I mean, coolant is coolant.
Right.
It doesn't really matter.
I just buy my shit from the gas station.
Exactly. I wouldn't run that, but
Don't run that shit?
I wouldn't run that.
Maybe that's why it's being weird.
I don't know what else you don't have. Do you have one of these? I assume you do. Ratio?
So, I do not. How much is one of those?
$6. go to the gas station, fill one of those up 5 gallons.
Right.
And then however you're gonna run your oil, fill it up to the oil on this thing, 5 gallons. I run 40 to 1. I'm actually about to switch back to 32 to 1.
Yeah,
so,
that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Do your thing, man.
All right, be careful.
You too, bro. So y'all just seen me sell my 100. I had that bike for like 2 years, 2.5 years, whatever. I don't know. But really ain't want to sell that bike all that much. I just didn't want to ride it no more. You know what I'm saying? I like Banshees. That's what I do now. I'm throwing some clips from the night before. Really, this was the night before. I had talked to the dude that came and bought it. I was like, damn. He's like, I'm gonna come get it tomorrow morning. I was like, damn. I'm gonna miss this bike for real. Like, that bike is A1. It's never fucked up. It's never did nothing crazy, cut off. You know, once you ride Banshees, you start realizing how good other bikes run. Because Banshees are cut off on you. You know, they're old. They're super old bikes. They'll cut off on you in the middle of the street for something stupid. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever. So he told me, like, I'm gonna come get it tomorrow morning, you know, 8 or 9 in the morning. I'm like, alright. Got off the phone with him. It was like 11. I told my mans, I'm like, yo, pull up. We about to ride at 100 around the city right quick. He pulled up, and this was the footage right here of that. So this is at like midnight, 1 in the morning. So y'all enjoy this footage. Just from the night before, like I said. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me back on a dirt bike, man. Alright, I'm gonna get up with y'all on the next one though.
Cause you can't go, I can't go from...
I didn't say that, nigga.
I can't go from like doing no-handers low-key for a couple seconds, damn near about to do a hand drag, scraping whenever I wanted to scrape, to not being able to do any of that shit.
You could do it, you just feel weird about the bike.
Right, and I feel weird about the bike because of the tire. I should have listened to Gabe and never turned.
Yeah, you should have got a Banshee.
No. Then I wouldn't be riding at all because that bitch would be in the fucking...
Nah, you take good care of her, she'll take good care of you, man.
Is you taking good care of your shit? Because every time you ride...
I beat on my bitch.
Because every time you ride, that bitch is broke.
Where you want to go, man? Get the fuck off my bike.
I don't know where I'm at.
Where do you want to go? That's what I'm asking.
I don't know where I'm at.
Where do you want to go?
Nigga,
a lot, Wendy's, McDonald's, Polaris, nigga, we can go wherever. Where the fuck you want to go?
I'm trying to go to the Polaris police station. I want to get in a chase. Alright, let me stop talking like that. Let me go knock on wood. Oh, hello. Do that kickstart.
I can't.
I think my shit can do it. I got a fresh. Hold it up.
I'm not doing that shit, man.
Just hold it up.
And what do you want to do?
Because your Banshee couldn't do it?
Shut the fuck
up. Just hold
up.
the handlebar. It's gonna do it.
This is a terrible idea.
I don't think it will. Oh, shit. All right, hold mine now.
Hold on, hold on.
You need a video of that. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I don't think it's gonna do it. My shit always first kick, but it ain't first V kick. V whatever.
Let's see if it's first kick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nah. I think you get the flipping switches.
I was in gear, nigga.
Oh. Hey. Hey. My shit first kick.
You said first kick?
Yes, sir. That ain't gonna do nothing. This shit a tank, my nigga. Get off my shit. Ready? No throttle! No throttle!
like rent.
You don't either?
Hell nah.
I'm gonna leave that to y'all.
Holy shit, man. Oh, Matt, what?
We try to fucking eat that boy.
Oh shit, no, I thought you were my homie, dude. My bad, it's a mask.
Alright, you straight. Yeah.
I want to see somebody drop in this.
I just tried.
Tell that white boy drop in.
Jake, can you drop in? Oh, he can. Drop into this. They want to see somebody drop into it. He's grown.
Damn. Oh yeah. He almost lost.
He's grown.
It's hard.
He's grown.
Hard. I'm not doing it.
Tell us when.
You guys good?
Fuck. I missed it. I fucking missed it. These fucking gloves, man.
My shit was mostly late too.
Look how late my shit was.
Bro, my shit was so late, it wasn't even
Look,
funny.
look.
Hey,
Nigga already dropped in.
Bruh, just get in there so I can take some pictures, we can go. Portrait is dumb because it's too zoomed in.
Is the bike in it?
A little bit.
Nah, a lot of bit. I can't tell if you're taking a picture or not.
Nigga, what?
Are you taking one? Well, I can't tell if you're taking a picture or not.
I took a bunch of pictures.
All right, let me take you. Let me get you.
Nigga, my pants is all ripped up. I got on pink shoes and a
You
fucking...
want to flick down or not, nigga?
Fuck no.
All right.
If you do, take one picture, man.
Huh?
Just take one picture. Nigga, I don't know how to fucking pose for a picture. How the fuck you pose for a picture? What the fuck type of pictures you taking? I don't know how to pose for a picture, bro.
Nigga, just keep doing whatever you want to
I
do.
don't know how to pose for a picture, nigga.
You just gonna leave me?
Probably.
Damn, that's
I
crazy.
left Cleo.
That
Nigga, what am I supposed to do?
nigga's street legal
We
though.
both get caught? What
Yes.
the fuck type of action
We
was
rode from home together, nigga. You don't know your way back.
that? Nigga, I'm not going back. I'm going back to my house. I'm gonna put my dirt bike in the fucking
Said,
apartment.
fuck that, I'm not riding no more.
I'm putting my dirt bike. I'm still ride, but I'm gonna put my dirt bike in the apartment. Then I'm getting a ride back out there to the truck, and it's done.
Done data. That's
I'm
crazy.
not even gonna see you there because you're gonna be fucked up, nigga.
They gonna leave me, that's crazy.
Bro, you think I'm supposed to stay?
Yeah, you supposed
If
to
a
be
cop
like,
was rushing from that way.
you supposed to
and
be
I
like,
started my
officer,
bike,
take both of us. You supposed to really be like, officer, just take me.
Alright, I'm leaving.